Hey everybody, my name's Chris. Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to give you my December fragrance haul video. So I have 5 fragrances that I picked up in the month of December of 2024. What fragrances you pick up in December of 2024 or beginning of this year, drop your comments down below. Before I start unboxing and giving you guys a first impression haul video, before the video ends, leave a comment down below which fragrance you guys want me to review first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Drop your comments down below. I really do appreciate it. Let's do the first unboxing fragrance. I got it from Argos. So this is a beautiful presentation Argos comes in. Beautiful. Opens up. Beautiful artwork by the owner, Christian Pestovich. Nice little test strip. Beautiful on both sides. Comes with a nice letter too. Nice information. Tell you thank you for buying the fragrance and a little bit about the Argos brand. It's a amazing niche brand. This is my first fragrance I purchased from Argos. I'm super excited to open it up, show you guys the presentation. Look at this beautiful presentation. This is a 10 out of 10. Beautiful, beautiful wrapped up. Nice Argos symbol up top here. You can see that. So I'm going to open it up. Take the sticker off. All right. So the fragrance that I purchased, I tried a sample from somebody in the Facebook group. So thank you for letting me try a sample of Fall Phaeton. This fragrance is awesome, guys. Beautiful presentation. You can't ask for much more with a beautiful, elegant presentation. So I got my bottle for about $160 when they had the Black Friday sale about 2 weeks ago or so in November, which is pretty cool. This is a 30 ml bottle. And they do have 100 ml bottles as well. All right. Take the wet paper off. Wow, beautiful all around. So you open it up like this. Comes in another box. Says Argos Fall Phaeton. Beautiful texture, like a book. And it has a little flap here, magnetic flap. Opens up, beautiful. Has the notes here, story about Fall Phaeton. Beautiful bottle. Look at this beautiful, elegant bottle, guys. 30 ml bottle is beautiful. And I had it signed in the back by Christian himself and the Argo brand, and my name on the bottom, Casual Fragrance. Beautiful cap here, elegant, has a little diamond inside, which is beautiful and it sparkles. And man, nice heavy cap, snaps into place. Let's give it a spray. Beautiful sprayer. So this opens up, you're getting a nice bit of bergamot and lemony opening with a little bit of ginger. Now it's nice, fresh, a little bit zesty in the opening. You definitely get a little bit of this pink pepper, a little bit of spices with the cardamom as well. In the middle of the fragrance, you're picking up lavender, some agarwood, and then in the base, you're picking up some vanilla and tonka bean. So the opening, you're getting a nice bit of freshness for the first few hours, and then you're definitely getting some more of the lavender, nice bit of cleanness, and then you're definitely getting some sweetness in the dry out. It's a very nice, versatile scent. I recommend you guys get a sample of Argos Fall Phaeton or any other fragrance from the brand. A lot of fragrances are awesome, guys. This is my second fragrance that I tried from the brand. I've tried this and I tried Birth of Venus. That's a phenomenal raspberry, fresh fragrance as well. A little bit of sea salty, definitely check it out. But this is Argos and this is Fall Phaeton. Definitely check it out. Next fragrance I purchased at Perfumology, so shout out to Brian and Near Guy, amazing fragrance store, aka one of the best niche stores on the East Coast side, aka Philadelphia, PA. This fragrance here is Matiere Premier, and this is Crystal Saffron. So this fragrance here, a lot of people gave it a lot of hype. It came out a couple years ago. I tried it. It's awesome, guys. So let's take a look at the presentation. Crystal Saffron. This is a 50 ml bottle. And they do have a 100 ml bottle as well. All right. Opens up like this. Bottle sits inside. All right. 50 ml bottle. Crystal Saffron. So the note breakdown for this is pretty simple note breakdown. So it has notes of musk, leather, saffron, and Ambroxan incense. So snaps into place. You can pick it up by the cap if you want to. Here we go. Nice sprayer. Shoots out a lot. Okay, so this opens up. You get a nice bit of freshness in the opening, right? Definitely a cleanness, like a very fresh shower cleanness. You're definitely picking up that saffron, right? This saffron gives off a little bit of that leathery feel as well. You're definitely getting a sweetness coming from the saffron as well. Definitely nice and airy as well. You can tell this is going to be a strong performing fragrance because of the added note of the Ambroxan as well. Like it smacks you right in the face, like as soon as you smell this. You definitely pick up a lot of the incense as well and the spices. And this fragrance here, I put it on my skin at Perfumology about a week ago. They had a fragrance event there where I met Sebastian, the perfume guy. This fragrance here was just beaming off my skin. I really did like this. I'm not really a big fan of saffron, but apparently I am. This is a very prominent saffron-based fragrance where saffron hits you right in the face. And I really enjoy this fragrance, guys. I kept going like this at the event, smelling my arm right here. And it's just phenomenal, man. I'm just like, I need this fragrance in my collection. And Near Guy's like, this is a real good fragrance. A lot of people like it. So I wore it and I'm like, let me get a bottle. So I got myself a 50 ml bottle. They do have 100 ml bottles as well. Guys, if you like saffron, spices, leathery touches, a little bit of freshness, you're gonna like Crystal Saffron. I'm telling you guys, this fragrance here is one of the fragrances that probably get you a lot of compliments. It just has that sweetness about it, a seductiveness about it, where people are gonna turn around like, what's this guy wearing? I've never smelled that before kind of feeling. Guys, you definitely need to get yourself a sample of this. Get yourself a decan, try it out. Even buy samples of this at perfumology.com, which are links down below. Get yourself a 2 ml sample, spray it on your skin and see if you like it. The next fragrance I picked up at Perfumology as well. This fragrance here is called Mind Games. This is Counterplay. This is their new 2024 release. So let's open it up. Check it out. This retails for $375. Opens up like this. Mind Games Counterplay. These are all chess pieces, so when you buy all of the fragrances or collect them all, you can play chess, and they have a board of chess you can buy as well. This is magnetic, which is cool. The other bottles are not magnetic, so keep that in mind. This is an extrait eau de parfum. So this has notes of banana, guava, melon, orange blossom, orthomanthus, yin yang. We have patchouli, pink pepper, and sandalwood. So this smelled awesome on my new wife now, Kelly. Sprayers are awesome. So this opens up very, very sweet. You're definitely going to get hit with the melony opening. Nice bit of fruity, juicy melony opening. Definitely getting some banana in the background as well. You're definitely getting a nice fresh airiness about this as well. And some orange blossom. Definitely very sweet fragrance that a man or woman can wear it. I mean, my wife now loves this one, so I can't complain. Definitely getting some nice pink pepper, a little bit of spices. And you're getting some patchouli and sandalwood in the dry down. Yeah, this one is her favorite so far from Mind Games. She does like Blockade, and she does like My Gardez as well, but this is one that she really did like. This is a 2024 release. You guys should definitely check this out. Check out the whole Mind Games lineup. They have over 20 fragrances. Definitely check out Mind Games. This is Counterplay. The next fragrance I picked up was from House of Perfumology as well, but this one here is from the actual Perfumology fragrance brand they have. This fragrance here is called Decadent Memories. Beautiful presentation from Perfumology. They upgraded their presentation. Has Perfumology written on the side here, hard to see. And this is a 60 ml bottle. Run you about $185. Opens up like this. Beautiful presentation. Perfumology on the side. Symbol Perfumology. Philadelphia right here. Opens up like a book. Beautiful bottle. Take a look at the beautiful bottle. Perfumology up top. Perfumology on the side. And the bottom has the Philadelphia Liberty Bell, which is pretty cool. Let's spray this. Nice sprayer. So this has notes. I'll read the notes here for you guys. We have cherry accord, blueberry accord, baked apple, blackcurrant, vanilla, tonka bean, sandalwood, cedar, and broxton and musk. This smells like a bakery. It smells like a pastry, very sweet, just amazing gourmand scent. It smells like a sweet apple pie. At the end of the day, it's amazing, super sweet, in your face. This is great for your holiday like Thanksgiving, Christmas, great for the fall, winter time. If you want a sweet gourmand fragrance, this is one of the best in the game. You should definitely check it out, guys. And a woman or man could wear it. Definitely a nice seductive, could be a nice date night scent because it has that sweetness with the apple, the blueberry, the vanilla, the tonka bean. This is awesome, guys. Definitely get your nose on this. If you like those gourmand type of scents, you're definitely gonna like this right here. This is their new 2024 release. Definitely check out Decade Memory by Perfumology. Okay, guys, the last fragrance I'm talking about is from the house of Boko Hoko, and this is Sea Salt Caramel. This here is a 50 ml bottle. Pick this up at Scent Explorer. Opens up like this. Beautiful presentation. Let's spray it. Awesome sprayer. Shoots out a lot. So this opens up. Getting some sea saltiness. Some lemon. Some pink pepper in the top. In the middle, you're going to get some jasmine. You're going to get some bay leaf and some sea saltiness in this fragrance. A little seagrass, you're getting a sea saltiness. And then more in the dry, you get more of that caramel, a little bit of sweetness, and some brown sugar and cedar in the dry down. But that opening for the first, I would say, hour or so, you're definitely getting hit with a lot of that sea salty lemon opening. You definitely remind you of going to the beach or laying on the sand, smelling the ocean breeze air. You definitely kind of get that vibe with this fragrance here, but it's a different type of sea salty mixed with caramel, because you're going to get the sea saltiness and the sweetness as well, which is pretty cool. You're getting a mixture of fresh and gourmand mixed together, which is a nice blend. It's very different, but It's not overly gourmand. It has that freshness where you can wear this a lot more places, more versatile. You can actually wear this in the colder months as well as the warmer months. This one here is phenomenal, guys. You guys should definitely check out this house. This fragrance here is awesome. If you like those sea salty fragrances mixed with some caramel, you're gonna love this fragrance here. Kelly likes it as well. I'll leave my video at the end from Scentsplore where she gives her first impression on it. Guys, this is fire. Definitely check out Boko Hoko. And this is Sea Salt Caramel. Thank you guys for watching this cool video. Which fragrance you guys want me to review first? Drop your comments down below. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in a new video very soon. Peace.